Howdy, howdy. Well, folks, I am trying to figure this one out. We've got these crash test cars. I mean, we get junk from all kinds of places. They're all these 2014 Mercedes. There's test 5, test 4, test 2. I mean, they look like, some of them look like they've been, used. And then some of them look kind of brand new. Do not adjust seat or headrest. I wonder if they did their own test. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. Test 2 right there. I look, I was gonna say they were hit similar. Well, that one's hit similar to that one, kinda. What we got here? Test 7. I wonder if that tape was off for the sensors or the test stuff. And there's still parts all over them. I mean, y'all know why we got them. I mean, that's obvious. And then you got a little smart car post-test. What do you say, Chucky? Come on, man. I'll give you some loving. As far as you coming? Was my breath stink or something? Why are you being so freaking snobby? See, I wonder if all that's sensor stuff. What do you think, Joel? Well, come on, man. Come say hi. It's about freaking time, bro. What you say, you old meathead? What you say, you old meathead? Oh, Chucky. Alright, man. I'll give you some loving, Bubba. He sure likes when you get under that collar. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Using the llave and the keys. That's for feisty.
What are you doing, man? What kind of car is this? Oh, man, I taste that freaking... I shouldn't have rubbed that dust. That's freaking fire extinguisher. Another smart car. Is this a 4-door smart car? Smart 4-4.
Bien tren para checking the rank.
What do you think about the orange? You like it, the Ranga?
I like the color.
Well, folks, maybe one of these days I'll run into my boss and ask him what the whole lowdown. Wow. They were nice cars, right?
This one, I like it.
Joel's busted, bro. It's busted. Anyway, folks, I know I haven't posted in a while. Don't worry. I just don't like where I'm crushing at right now. I don't know. It's very frustrating yard, and it just zaps out all my. It's frustrating yard. Wonder what's up with these holes. Yeah. Maybe that's where they put the sensors in them or something. Yeah, maybe como se llama the sensors. All right, man. Man, I'm going home, bro. Joel.
Yes.
Later, homie.
All right. Take it easy.
Mm-hmm. Y'all be careful, be kind. Did anybody pass the test? That's what I want to know. Hey, one time in the school, I take you the test, and I watch you lay the paper for the girl in front of me. I watch the paper. And for
you copy.
I copy. Yeah. Hey, and the teacher is mad because on number 33,
yeah,
the girl, she write, I don't know, and I put me either.
Yeah, you put it. Damn.
I put me either.
That's crazy.
Sorry about Joel cussing. Y'all be careful, man. Look at that license plate. I gotta figure out how to get this. I don't even know what it stands for. That's like EVOL. But man, the screws are like up under there. I'd have to like really take a fork and like pull this out. Y'all be careful, be kind.
Thank ya.